So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video we are going to talk about what is the master sheet, what is the only solution guide to complete the arcade challenges, what are the basically skill badges, how we have to complete it, and can we start now and when swags, and how we can just create your new cloud skills boost account, and how we can just participate in the program. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. First of all, let me show you about the games and let you aware about the program. What is arcade program? So here we are in the arcade homepage. You can see the URL also. So basically, arcade program is by Google Cloud Pro team. Basically, it is a program which is run by Google Cloud team, which helps you learn about cloud storage, data cluster, BigQuery, Hadoop, and many more things. Basically, from setting IAM rules to just controlling the cloud shell, basically creating buckets and many more things. It offers plenty of new skills. So here Arcade comes in two cohort 1 and cohort 2. Currently, we are in cohort 2, which started from July and will be ending in December 2025. And the next cohort, many of you are asking, when will the next cohort start? We want to start in next cohort. So it will start from basically January 2026, basically first week or by second week it will start. Okay. And it will be ending on June or mostly by July if they extend. Generally, the deadline is June. Now the cohort 2. After cohort 1, cohort 2 starts from July to December. So we are in cohort 2 as I said earlier. So now you have, many of you are asking, can we still earn prizes? So the answer is yes, you can still earn prizes. Do not worry, you can still earn prizes and at least reach a basic tier. If I show you the prize tier, you can see here we have Arcade Novice 25 points. Arcade Trooper 45 points, Arcade Ranger 65 points, Champion 75 points, and Legend is 95 points. So now if you start now, if you have already started and have some points, many of you have reached the Legend tier also. I am receiving multiple comments that we have reached Legend tier, can we stop? I'll talk about it also, do not worry. So here many have reached the Legend tier, Champion and Ranger tier also. But if you are starting just now, okay, if you are starting in November itself, you haven't completed any October game, I'll recommend go up to 25 points only. It's very easy. Or if you want to stretch yourself, then also go maximum by 45 points only. See, if you get by 45 points, how you can complete it, I will share each and every detail. Do not worry about it. So suppose if you want to complete the, first of all, let me explain all the things, then I will show you the how you will reach that points. So here you can see we have some games. Okay, you can see here multiple games are hosted over here. These are trivia games. So here the slight difference between the trivia and arcade game is that if you open the arcade game, and let me open one trivia game also. So here in arcade game, okay. So in arcade game, here we have 16 labs. Okay. Now many of you are having queries like if you complete the 16 lab, will you get the swag? So the answer is no. When you complete the 16, whatever the lab is mentioned over here, whatever game you complete. Now, so here you get the point only. If you complete 18 labs, you get 1 point. We'll come to the point structure also, do not worry. So you'll be getting 1 point only. Okay. Now, another query is that many of you are asking, we are unable to get the check on this return to arcade or explore. Basically, the words next section. So you won't be getting any check mark because there is no required tag here. You have to simply complete all the games. This one, labs, sorry. You have to complete and then you'll get this level 1 badge, sorry. You'll get level 1 badge. Now here, the major difference between trivia and arcade game is that in trivia, we have only 4 labs. Okay. Out of which 3 are basically labs which you have to perform, and one is the quiz. Okay, one is the quiz only. You have to just start the lab in this trivia quiz. You can answer also, or you can just wait for at least, basically just wait for at least 5 minutes and then end the lab for this one. Okay. All the solution guide is here. You don't know how to start the lab, how to join the game. All the solutions are available on the channel. You don't have to panic. First of all, let me explain each and everything step by step in slowly and detailed manner. Because you are having multiple queries and I am receiving similar comments again and again. So I'm making a dedicated video for the arcade program only. So you know about the trivia games and level games. Okay. Now here two more special games come over here. Okay, you can see here. First of all, let me show you the point system. So here is the point system. Okay. When you complete level 1 game, you get 1 point. Basically, one game badge equal to 1 point. Level 2 also, it's a game badge. It's equal to 1 badge. Sorry, 1 point. And trivia is also a game badge, but sometimes in different event, we call it as a trivia badge. So it also gives 1 point. Now here comes the catch of the skill badges. Unlike the arcade games, when you complete a skill badges, basically when you complete 2 skill badges, you get 1 arcade point only. So you need to understand the basic criteria. Now what are skill badges? I'll talk about it. I'll show you everything. So please stay tuned. Now here you can see these two games. Okay. Arcade banking with empathy and arcade extra skills. Okay. So here sometimes what happens, they release two special games. Okay. Total 3 games come. One is the certification zone, that is also works as a single arcade point only game. But sometimes they release some special game which gives 2 point and 1 point. In case you notice in the Diwali, for the first time in the history, they give 3 arcade points. Also 2 games were released, so we get 6 arcade points in the Diwali season, basically in the October month. So like this, they release some special game. The point is generally it's of 2 points, but sometimes they increase the point. This work meet play is having confusion among many participants. So basically this work meet play is a special game. Okay. And but here, unlike for this game, like if you complete the special 2-pointer game, or whether they increase it to 3, you get a surety that when you complete the game, you get points, whether it's 1 or 2. But in the arcade banking, basically the work meet play, this green color badge, whenever it is launched, only the first 50 people who complete the badge will get the point. So this is little bit risky, as there is more than 15 laps there. So chances of getting it is basically very difficult. But if you started from the July itself and completed the batch till now, so I will recommend to complete this batch. Okay. And if you haven't completed, as you are starting in October or November itself, you can avoid the work meet play. But do not avoid the special batch, certification batch, and all these things. Now here we'll talk about, about the badges, point system. Now here comes how we have to complete the games. For completing the games, you need to have a Cloud Skills Boost account. So for that, you can just click on it. If you click on it, you'll be redirected to another page. And here you can see this is the Cloud Skills Boost home page, right? Here is the Cloud Skills Boost home page. So like this, the page looks like. And here, if you're completely new to this platform, you have to simply click on join. When you will click on join, it will ask simple process. You must be knowing how to create an account. So like you can just use the signing with Google. It's simple and you don't have to make any changes. If you want, you can just use the email and password method. You can just type the email, type the password. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm just signing in with Google. So when I click on sign in, if you are having multiple Gmail logged in, it will ask to select the account. Like this, you'll be able to join the game. So basically join the game, not create the Cloud Skills Boost account. One more important thing I wanted to share, like if you are just completely new to this platform, here I have created a particular course. I will share the video link. Here I have shared how you can start, basically how you can create a Cloud Skills Boost account. It will basically a simple sign up process, a DOB, basically date of birth will be asked. There you have to make sure that you are entering the age must be 18 plus. Okay. If you enter the date of birth less than 18 plus, then basically it will be, the ID will be rejected and deleted. So make sure to add 18 plus date of birth. Do not worry about it. Now here I talked about how you can create a Cloud Skills Boost account. Now let's talk about the next step. So once you have created the Cloud Skills Boost account, one more important thing, I have shared everything, how to create the account, how to just subscribe to Arcade. All these things are covered detailed on this video. Still I am making a quick go through because many of you are watching this video for the first time. If you want detailed guidance, you can watch this one. There is no issue. Now here let me talk about this one, how to join the game. Okay, So I think I have opened. Yes, let me open any game. The system is same for all. You have to simply come to this page and click on start. Make sure you are signed in, and then simply you have to just copy the code over here, click on join the game, and here just click on join. So once you have joined the game, these are the labs over here. Okay. These are the labs you have to complete it. How you have to complete it? You have to simply click on this, and after that simply click on start lab. Like this you have to do it all the things. Okay. Now how you have to complete? Let's come to the next step. Before we come here, let me tell you, you need to just subscribe to Arcade before starting it. So here you have to click on subscribe here. Now what you need to do, you have to enter your email address. Which email address? You cannot add random email address. You have to come over here, see this, click on this settings option, and just select this email, which you used while signing up to the Cloud Skills Boost account. Now here you have to click on next. One more important thing you need to take care that here you can see the profile. By default, this checkbox won't be selected, and this URL is not visible in your case if you are just creating a new account. You have to click on this and just click on update settings, and then your account is ready. After that only you have to fill this subscription form. You have to just click on it, yes, yes, and submit. Now you won't be getting any confirmation email once you submit it. You'll be getting same form copy. You have to check your spam section, then you are subscribed. Now let's come to the next part of this video. Basically, where are the solutions, how we'll complete it. So many of you are asking about the master sheet. First, it is the master sheet. How will get it? So it's present in the description box of any video. You can just check it. You'll be able to see it. Now, why we call it a master sheet? Here it contains all the resources which you need for completing the labs. Here it has pre-assessment skill badges, lab free courses, and arcade monthly games. So these games which you are seeing in the arcade homepage are arcade monthly games. Okay. So let's start from it only. You have to click on it. You'll be redirected to this particular page. Now, whenever a new game arrives, it gets updated with the access code. Now, sometimes that happens, you are unable to copy the code due to some restriction. Then you have to simply click on this URL. Okay, you'll be redirected to particularly this page. And as I said, you have to copy the access code, start here and just paste the code. Like this, you have to paste the code. Now, suppose you want to complete the week 3 trivia game. You have to click on this. You'll be redirected to the solution playlist. So you don't have to search it again and again. You have to just redirect yourself and you'll be able to see it. Like if you want to complete the level 2, you can just click on it and you'll be redirected over here. So this is the quick overview of the master sheet of arcade games. Now here we have pre-assessment skill badges. Okay, I'll talk about the skill badges also. You have to simply click on it. You are redirected to the pre-assessment skill badge place. So now here I'll tell you about basically the skill badge. As you know, 2 skill badge give 1 arcade points. So suppose I click on this skill badge. Just next to it, the solution. You can see here all the solutions for all the labs are already live. You have to just check it and complete it accordingly. Now here you can see these are the labs. So this is a pre-assessment skill badges. If you are seeing like this, okay. If you are seeing this banner, blue banner, you have to simply click on the start challenge. Okay. Start challenge, you have to click on it. Now here you have to click on the start challenge. You will be directed to the basically the challenge lab. So you have to click on start and just next to it, as I said, the solution is here. You have to watch the video along with it. Do not worry. Many are asking that if you complete the solution using your videos, will there be any issue? So the answer is no, because there is no issue only. You are completing using the genuine method. You can just complete it. Now here one more important thing is the credits. So many of you are asking about the credits. So here this lab requires 1 credit. However, some labs I think so. If I get, let me show you. If I find, so if I click on this, some of the labs, this is also a pre-assessment skill badge. If I click on it, So here you can see no cost. For the labs which have no cost, it does not require credits. You can start without credits. But for this, like this lab, if it's mentioned 1 credit, 5 credit, or 10 credits, you have to just complete it. Okay. You have to just complete it like that only. Now here, if I tell you how you can find the credits, I'll link the video. Do not worry about it. So here on my channel only, I posted a video. If I show you, here it is regarding the credits. It's already present. If I show you, there is the credit. Do not worry, I'll link the video. Yes, this is the credit. Okay. So here how you have to claim the credits. The video tutorial is here. You can claim it. You'll get 309 or sometimes even 400 also. I regularly update the code so you can complete the skill badges. So this comes the skill badge. Here you have to complete the challenge labs. Some skill badge requires complete labs also, like for example, in case in any skill badge you are not seeing this blue banner or go to pre-assessment, in that case you have to complete all the labs 1 2 3 4 like this. You have to complete it. Okay, as I said, the solutions are also there. Now the lab free course completion. Lab free course completion was introduced as a part of facilitator program. So if you complete now, you won't be getting any points. So that's why I made a double star over here. So avoid the lab free course if you are not a participant of the arcade facilitator program. Basically, avoid it if you're starting after October month. Okay. So you can just avoid it even if you started and not enrolled in the arcade facilitator program. You can just avoid it. A quick overview of the arcade facilitator program, if I show you, is that here instead of swags we get their bonus points. Like suppose if you are having 25 points and you get at least 20 points as bonus, you can directly claim the trooper tire. Okay. So like this is the criteria. I think a price tire criteria video I have already made on the channel. It's published also, I think so. Let me see. If it's not published, I'll make a video on it. Do not worry about it. So here the price tier I think is already revealed, and do not worry, in case the video is not there, I'll make a video on it. So if I see multiple prices, if I see here, why this is a previous cohort, you can see if you want to see how there's a price counter operates. So this was the quick thing regarding the price counter, how does it operates. So if I see over here, the wait is over, November games are live, and there are some swag drops also. So yes, I got it. So this is the video I have already made, how you can claim the multiple milestone, what is the criteria. Now they have updated, like if I show you a quick overview, like if you are having Trooper tire, you'll be getting Novice tire and Trooper tire swags both. And if you are in Legend tire, you'll be getting these all three swags: Arcade Ranger, Champion, and Legend. You won't be getting Arcade Trooper and Novice, but you'll be getting Ranger, Champion, and if you are in Legend, you will surely get the Legend swags also. So this is regarding the master sheet covered. What we covered in this video, basically. First, we talk about the game, the events, the bonus point, the skill badges, the resources, all things I have explained clearly. Now here, if you have any query, like if you want, many of you want to see the swags, like what kind of swags we are getting. So here you can see the swags unboxing is here. All the swags are listed over here. You can watch it from Novice tire to Ranger tire, Champion tire, Legend tire, all things are here. You can see the swags will be slightly different also. Do not worry, you will be getting better swags over here in this cohort. Now here comes the main thing of that video. Okay, wow, point criteria. Okay, how you can reach the top tier. So how much point you can earn if you come to the starts. So starting from November, okay, you'll be having 11 points from 12 games. I'm not including work mid plays not being included. Okay, so currently we have 8 points and 8 games are live. More games will be live. Basically, the 2-pointer game which I topped and 1 certification game. So here we have 11 points. Okay. from November. Similarly, from December also 11 points. And if they add any new challenges, I will make a video on it. Do not panic at all. So here we have 11 points from December, 11 points from November, total 22 points. So you can easily reach the 45 points. Okay, sorry, 25 points. See, you have 22 points. You have to complete just 6 skill badge. Resources I have already shared. So you'll be having 25 points very easily, very easily. Now, if you want to reach 45 points, basically trooper tire. So you have total how much? 22 points up to December. Okay, up to December we have 22 points. So now, once you have 22 points up to December, how much point is remaining? Can you tell? So here we have 45 points and we have 22. Now, sorry, 22 points. Now we need 23 more points. So 23 more points are needed. So for that we have to do 46 skill badges. And we have 84 skill badges. So trooper tire is easy to achieve too. Little bit tricky, but it's still easy and achievable. Okay. Now the next thing is that if you want to reach the Ranger tire, 65 points. So is it still possible with 22 points in hand and 65? 43. Okay. 43 points are needed. So is it still possible? So for 43 points, we need 86 skill badges. But how much we have? 84 skill badges. So if they don't increase basically just launch any extra game, then it's next to impossible for you to reach the Ranger tie. So I won't recommend to reach Ranger tie if you're starting just now. Okay. Do not complete the Ranger tire. Just go up to the Trooper tire area, or mostly just go with the basic tire. Because just after 1 month, new game will start. You can start afresh and just complete all the things over here. So now, if you are not able to reach the basically the Ranger tire, then Champion Legend is not possible. Okay. It's not possible to reach the Champion and Legend with November start. But if you have completed, basically if we see from October we had total 8 games plus 6 from special games and 1 certification zone was here. So we have 15 plus 22, it's equal 37. Okay. If started from basically October. Okay, October if you have started from. So you have total 15 plus 37 points. Sorry, 22 points. So now we have 37 points. So how much points is required if you want to complete? 38 points required. Okay, 38. So yes, 37 points you have. So you require 38 points. Okay. So for which you will have to complete 76 skill badges. Okay. You have to complete 76 skill badges, which have 84 points. So here, how much points we are having? Okay. How much points we get? It's for basically champion tire. So if you are having champion tire, you can easily reach champion tire. But I don't think legend tire is still possible if we have 37, 58. No, legend tire is not possible here. Legend tire not possible here. But if you want to reach the basically what we call champion is Ranger tire. Ranger tire, basically if you can just calculate, it's very easy. So you have 37 points from basically normal tire. Okay. 37 points, which I am including up to December. You have to complete the games till December, and then you have to just see how much points is required. 28. So 28 points is required, which can be done via 56 skill badges. So this is also achievable. Like this, you have to complete. Like if you want to complete the 45 points and you have 37 points, so you have to complete only say for basically trooper. You have to just complete 8, 16 skill badges. Okay. And if you are just in want to complete the standard tire, if you have reached 37, I want to recommend to just read for the this novice tire, go for trooper tire. And if you're just starting, you can just go. This is a very good swag. The bottle is well quality and better. So you can just check it. And many of you are asking, will there be any hoodie in the January cohort? So the answer is no. So this is the quick update. Now many of you have started from early also. Okay. Early, I mean from July itself or even from the facilitator program. So how you have to complete it, let me show you. I have already made a video. So how you can reach the 95 points. See, here was for the people who have not joined the 95 points using the Arcade Facilitator program. And one video is there for basically here, I think so. So this is also a video based on basically, let me see if I have made. If I have shared, I will show you. I think this is for the facilitator program only. So like this, you have to just check it. Okay, I think, yes, this is for facilitator program. I link both the video if you have started earlier, because of make this video longer, it will become very lengthy, and I hope you understand each and everything. So watch this video carefully to just understand the point criteria, the next criteria, basically how to reach the legend tier depending on the points you have. One more important thing which many people are asking about, the prize counter. So once you complete the games, you don't get the prizes instantly. You have to wait for the counter to open. So the counter is nothing but simply a Google form link, basically Google form link, not basically an email which comes with a code or URL. There you have to place your address and just select your t-shirt size or hoodie size, whatever tier you are in. In case you are in, let's suppose, let me give you the example for legend tier. If you are in legend tier, you have to simply select the t-shirt or hoodie size. Okay, and you have to just enter your address and all the things will be ordered. You don't have to add to cart one by one. It's already added as a package. Okay, if you want to see how does the price counter, how you have to order, I have already made a video on it of previous cohort. It's latest of 2021. So you can watch this. I will share the video. Here you can see all these things are here. Okay, so here all milestone videos here, and one more is for normal white screen. Okay, so here you can watch this video to just make sure your price is safe. The most important thing is the subscription part. So this is a quick update. If I miss anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel, guys. I hope it clears your doubt. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. One more important thing, for credits, do not worry, you can comment down below. I will help you as soon as possible.